In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mark invoices as paid in Xero quickly and correctly using the bank reconciliation feature. If you're new to Xero or just want to make sure your invoices are being closed off properly, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Xero matches payments to invoices and how to confirm them in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. This is where you'll find your bank accounts, reports, and reconciliation tools. After clicking on Accounting, you'll see your connected bank accounts listed. Find the bank account where the customer payment has been received. Next to that bank account, you'll see a blue button that says Reconcile, followed by the number of items waiting to be reconciled. Go ahead and click that blue Reconcile button. This will open the bank reconciliation screen. On the reconciliation page, you'll notice two main sections. On the left-hand side, you'll see your bank statement lines. These are transactions that have come in from your bank feed, such as customer payments. On the right-hand side, Xero will attempt to match those bank transactions with existing invoices or bills in your system. Now, on the left side, locate the payment that relates to the invoice you want to mark as paid. You can look at the reference, the name, and the amount to make sure you're selecting the correct transaction. Once you click on that bank statement line, Xero will automatically search for a matching invoice in your records. If the amount and contact match correctly, you'll see the invoice appear on the right-hand side highlighted in green. When it turns green, that means Xero has found a match and is ready to reconcile the payment against that invoice. Take a quick moment to double-check the details. Confirm that the invoice number, contact name, and amount are correct. If everything looks good, you'll see an OK button in the center of the screen between the two sides. Click the OK button to reconcile the transaction. As soon as you click OK, Xero links the bank payment to the invoice. The invoice is now automatically marked as paid and moved from your awaiting payment list to your paid folder. That's it. The invoice has officially been closed off in your system, and your accounts are now up to date. If for some reason Xero doesn't automatically match the invoice, you can use the Find and Match option to manually search for the correct invoice and reconcile it that way. But in most cases, as long as the amount and contact details match, Xero will suggest the correct invoice automatically. Using bank reconciliation to mark invoices as paid is the safest and most accurate method because it ensures your accounting records match your actual bank transactions. This keeps your books clean and makes reporting much easier at the end of the month or financial year. And that's how you mark invoices as paid in Xero. Log in, go to Accounting, click Reconcile, find the payment on the left, confirm the green match on the right, and click OK. Simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials designed to save you time and reduce accounting stress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.